I'm Judy and we are in the Savoring Today kitchen making Tuscan white bean and sausage soup. This soup is something that will be super easy for you to pull together. We use canned cannellini beans and there's very little prep involved. Under an hour, you'll have it ready for the table. Let's get cooking. This soup only requires minimal prep of a few ingredients: onion, carrot, celery, and red bell pepper, and garlic. Once we have the vegetables prepped and ready to go, we can start adding everything to the soup pot. We'll start by browning the hot Italian sausage that we're using in this soup. If you have sausage in casings, simply squeeze it out of the casings so that you end up with sausage that's got a nice crumble to it. Next, you're going to add olive oil to that same pot and then saute your onions. What we're looking for here is a nice golden edges to those onions to give it an extra layer of flavor. Add in the rest of the vegetables, salt and pepper, and now you're going to stir and cook those vegetables and garlic until softened. Sprinkle the herbs over the top and cook until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the beans. You'll want to rinse the lentils before you add them to the pot. Add that with your canned beans that have been drained, with the Parmesan rind, and then you're going to return the sausage to the pot as well. I like to add just enough stock to cover the ingredients by about 2 inches, and then add just a little extra bouillon paste. You're going to tilt a lid and cover for 20 minutes to let it simmer and meld flavors. Then you'll just simply stir in your fresh spinach. You're just looking for that spinach to wilt. Serve it up in warmed bowls and then garnish with some extra Parmesan cheese, and you are ready to enjoy a fantastic dinner.